Hey everybody out there in the nation, got a new video for you today. We're going to be changing out the brake master cylinder gasket. Part number is 42072. The reason I'm changing this out is that you can see all the brake fluid that's around the top on this master cylinder. So it's just basically removal of the cap, and then we'll get it all cleaned up, put the new gasket in, and reinstall. It's a pretty quick process. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and just use some brake cleaner and spray down the area, get this all cleaned up before we remove the cap. Alright, we have everything cleaned up. One of the things that we're looking for is you can kind of see how loose this is. Hopefully that when we change out that new gasket, that's going to tighten up, and that could be what's causing the leak from underneath. Now I'm just going to go ahead and use the little hook tool, hook it up underneath the gasket and pop it out, clean up underneath the cap. So I was looking at the thickness of the gasket. You can tell here how thin this is. And then when you look at this, it's a little thicker. So that's actually going to tighten up on the brake reservoir. This actually is just going to snap in, and then we're going to reinstall it. Alright, we got the cap installed. Now it's nice and snug. No fitment issues. We should be good to go. So, thanks for watching today. Feel free to like, subscribe, share, comment, and we'll go back with another video. Thanks.